Here is a sneak preview at the new note template within Embark EMR. Click play. So it's similar format to today with all of the same fields. However, along the left-hand side we'll be able to jump to a section as well as scroll within the note. We'll still be able to click a button and load the previous note, and when we want to generate that PDF, we can click Preview with it only collecting the fields that were completed. As we go down, we can see the same format that we're all used to. Objective, we can add activities via a form that will pop up. These can also be automatically populated, and then they will show in a nice clean table. Assessment and adding goals. Similarly, we would be able to select a goal, add our progress, and then the completion percentage. When that's added, it will automatically reflect right here within the table. And we continue down, and finally, for billing, it will be a very similar process. We would click a table button, and it will pop up and apply all of those same information that you already have within your profile. Sign that note, you can save it, and we will have this automatically save your inputs as you go along. So no need to lose any data. Thank you.